Okay guys, welcome to the last but not least video. I'll be putting this baby back together, but first we got to spray her out. This connector, make sure I got all of that. No, I didn't. I really don't want to spray it on top of there, but I'm gonna have to. Hang on, I gotta see if I got a towel or something. I'd much rather be doing this with a towel. This'll do. Just pretty much wrapped around all the electronics on the engine. Like that. And spray it. And let that air dry. Kind of give it a good slap around. Now we can remove this. Set to the side. You can tell how that's clean now. Yeah, there's definitely no oil on it now. It's probably gonna have a good connection. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these on top of that. These are the bad ones. So I'm gonna put this on top of that tart looking thing I got. And go ahead and get out the new Dorman ones. I mainly bought these Dorman ones. They work just as good as the OEM ones. They're supposed to be up to OEM specifications. But it's definitely worth it. They were pretty cheap and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this car put back together. Just going to stick them in the side right there. Put this back to there so I won't lose that. Okay, got that one back in, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and do this side. As you can tell, that right there. I'm going to get one of these bolts right here and put it hand tight back into the threads. We're going to do this on both sides. I'm going to make sure it's all the way down snug, and then we'll get our snubby wrench. I'm not going to use that to get that back in right there. I'm just going to use the snubby socket wrench. But going to go ahead and get that one screwed back in. Sorry about the quality of the videos, guys. I'm still new to the YouTube and thing, and I'm still trying to progress to get better. And I appreciate everybody that's followed me, that's liked all my videos and commented on them. Are a big support and help, and I love you guys to death. Make sure y'all share my videos to get more people in here to watch my videos. And pretty much I'm almost done with this video session. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put back together. Tighten that down. Okay, that ain't going nowhere now. And we're gonna get this other side and tighten it down. Alright. This one should be dry enough to put it back on. Oh yeah. I'm gonna snip that back in there. Oh yeah. That definitely feels like it's gonna have a solid connection, in all honesty. But I think I'm gonna get a good spray on this one again, because the wire itself seems like it's got some corrosion and shit on it. But let me get this fixed ASAP. Let that air dry for a couple minutes. I'm gonna blow it off. The reason I did this, guys, is because there's oil still caped up on these wires, and I don't know if it's this side that's getting no connection or the other side. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this connector another good spray. But I want to make sure everything's working properly. I don't want to have to go through this again, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys know what I mean. On these Audis, there's really no telling what you're going to have to do to them. Okay, see if it's, yeah. Now we're going to set that to the side for now. Hopefully we don't need it again. Set that right down there. As that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and get this side put back together. So I'm going to get my air box. New K&N filter on the inside. I'll make sure my car has the best of what it needs. I'm going to set this camera down real quick, guys, so I can get this air box back in there, because that's a tight fit. Okay. I'm almost in there. I'm almost in here, guys. I'm close. Feel it. Alright. Now that's back in. We're going to go ahead and put this pin back into its hole. It ain't going nowhere. And I'll just smack my head on that damn thing. Alright. Also, I just checked my throttle body not too long ago, and it looked pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and get this big boy on there. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have all these hose clamps facing a certain direction. If you don't, you're going to end up doing it backwards. Put the phone down again. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I really, truly am. Okay. Alright, we got that back on. It's all nice and snug. We're gonna put this hose that I took off in the first video, snug it back onto the clamp. You want to make sure all these hoses are on here tight, because you don't want an air leak. We're gonna go ahead and tighten down these flatheads. Trying to get this done because these mosquitoes are attacking me, but it's pretty much simple. Make sure it's all together. And never forget to keep all your parts together, because you don't want to lose anything. Because I swear these cars won't run without a bolt, it seems like. But I do love my car to death. It's not going in. Why aren't you going in? Maybe. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna set this down because this is kind of hard. now that we got that back on, I'm going to have to put some tape or something over this thing because it's not staying right. But we're going to go ahead and put these nuts back on. Just going to shove them in the hole right there. Ooh, don't want to put that one in there. For God's sakes, no. Now this is where this is going to come back in. And grab our T25 that we started out with. Reverse the crank so we can tighten it back down. On both sides. Okay. Now we're going to get to this side. Now that this should be good and dry. And it's not, for some weird reason. Well guys, it looks like there's going to be a part 5. Alright, I'll be right back.